Hi, have you ever wanted to render some of the most complex Blender render scenes? And definitely not this one, but without your computer turning into a NASA rocket or just obliterating itself into oblivion? Well, I might have the solution for you, hopefully. And that is the Nebula's Blender render farm, with Nebula being me, I suppose. It is a web page, well, more like a page inside my website that I made for it. And basically the aim here is that I'd like to share my personal Blend render farm. My personal computer, which is this one, is currently running on RX 68000, but I've actually got some servers with Xeons and more GPUs to use for Blender, so it would be that really. You could have a read of this. The website will most likely change, definitely, by the time you're watching this video. But for now, I talk a bit about pricing. I charge €1 for every 4 hours, which, considering how most cloud rendering services charge around €4 per hour, which, doing some quick maths, gives around almost €100 a day. That is stupid. So if you're not rich like me and don't have the money either to just multiply this by 10 and purchase a GPU for it, then this might be a bit of an appealing deal. All you have to do really is to click this link, which will take you to a Google form, and type in your email, or most likely will do it automatically if you're logged into Google, not really sure. Upload your zip project files, tell me what your max budget is to make sure that we don't go over it, and your PayPal email. The best thing of all, as I mentioned here, you don't really have to pay until it's done. So you send me that, I put it to Blender, I render everything, and once it's done, I'll send you an invoice in PayPal so that you can then fulfill it. And once we do that, I'll then share the results in a shared drive folder, probably the same one that we used to upload the projects, so that you can download the render results. And that is it really. There isn't anything else to this. It is quite simple. It's just a one-to-one thing that I thought I could do, I guess. And that was it really. Let me know if you have any questions. I also added a small frequently asked questions here. Most likely will grow, but yeah, so that was all, and thank you for watching.